Hi everyone, I'm here to do a September favorites video slash everything I've been buying in September, so like a haul video. So I'm gonna start off with some cosmetics and then some other luxury items that I've been buying. So the first, I would say I have three. So I have three cosmetics to talk about. So the first is what I have on my eyebrows today, which is the NYX in the color brunette dip eyebrow. So I really like it. It's a little bit more subtle and more natural than the espresso, which I normally use. So that's what I've been using recently and I've been liking it. And then I just ran out of my foundation. It's the Fit Me in the color 128. So I've been really liking this foundation. This is what I have right now. It looks like it's lighter on camera, but in person it matches my neck down. So I've been enjoying this. It gives me a medium to full coverage, and it also keeps me matte for a good majority of the day. I do use a primer with it, so I use the, what do I use? The e.l.f. primer underneath. So it's been holding up really well. I use a beauty blender to apply it and it looks really good. It covers most of my problem areas, which is my cheeks and my chin. So I recommend this, especially because I have oily skin. And then an old favorite of mine that I just started using again is Whirl by MAC, the lipstick. So this is what I have on today, a little bit. So I love the MAC Whirl lipstick and lip liner. They're my favorite. I used to work at MAC, so that's what I always buy all the time, especially since we had that discount, so it was really good. So I still have a few more of this to go through. And then for clothing items, I recently got this shirt. Oh, it's already stained because I've been wearing it all day and my kids' milk. Yeah, so it looks like a Gucci, like the green and then the stripes. So I thought it was really cute. And then from Nordstrom, I recently just bought these Steve Madden Reese booties. So they're sock booties. Let me put it down. And I've been wearing it and it's a little dirty. So this top area right here, it's that stretchy like knit material. So I really like it. And then it's faux suede at the bottom and the heel. So with these boots, I would recommend, if you have more of a skinnier, narrower foot, to size down. Because right here, they have they're a little bit more forgiving for people with wider feet, I would say. So I would say size down if you have a narrow foot. But the ankle is fine. It doesn't fall down or anything, and it's pretty stiff and sturdy. So I doubt it would do that, even if you do have a smaller ankle. And then a few weeks ago, we went on the jet ski, me and my husband, and he did a sharp turn, and I had some sunglasses on, which were the Ray-Ban Aviators. They're discontinued now, and after that I fell so hard in that water that I don't even know where my sunglasses flew, my hat flew, like everything. I was like 100 yards away from where the jet ski landed, or probably like a couple hundred. Anyways, and it took me a while to swim back because if you know me, I don't know how to swim. Good thing I had a life jacket on. So anyways, so I lost my sunglasses. I went to the mall to see if I can find the same ones. I'll insert a photo of me that day wearing those sunglasses somewhere in the video. But those sunglasses are now discontinued. So I've been looking and I found a pair. So it came in this velvet glass case. It says Gucci right there in blue. And these are what I got. So it has the Gucci red and then the glittery green on the sides, and then the interlocking GG. And it's a brown frame. Looks like this. So I really like it because when I smile, it doesn't hit my cheeks and it lays pretty okay like on my nose. Like I don't have to keep like readjusting the whole time. And I actually don't mind that readjustment part because I don't know. I just like it. I don't mind it. So I like them. They're super cute and they're very oversized, so it covers most of my face and I don't have any makeup on. So I like these, and it says Gucci. Where does it say? Oh, it says Gucci up right here on the lens. And these are the style 0036S. So these are them. Super cute. I've been really enjoying this. I've already done separate unboxing videos for these two items, but I'm still gonna add it in the video because I did buy them in September. So I got the small Gucci belt bag in the cream color and the navy and red. Looks like that. I'll add some mod shots later on, but this is them. I also just unboxed the Louis Vuitton bum bag. Super cute, and I am currently using it today, so it has some stuff in it. So I have it on the second hole and almost the longest setting on the buckle. But this is what it looks like and I absolutely love it. And yeah, that is I think everything I've been buying. So not too crazy, definitely like bigger, like higher ticketed items, but you know, I wanted to spoil myself. I worked really hard, couple months, so I think I deserve it. And I did sell 2 of my bags, so 1 in, 1 out system. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.